I've been a full-time realtor for 10 years, and the number one thing people ask me for is moving boxes. But there's so many issues with boxes. Number one, they're costly. You typically have to buy them or run around town searching for someone or a business that is getting rid of them. Number two, they're difficult to store and reuse. Three, they require tape, which is just another added expense and another item to find. And number four, boxes are stiff. They're not fluid in terms of accommodating various shapes and sizes. Basically, if it doesn't fit into the dimensions of the box, you can't use it, or at the very least close the box. So not to mention, boxes are typically filthy. Have you ever run your fingers across a dirty box? They are not clean. But these moving bags from WORKPRO completely solve these problems. Obviously, like boxes, you still have to buy these, but they're completely reusable and so easy to store. So unlike boxes that you have to keep buying or keep tracking down, you can easily fold these bags up and you can keep them clean and secure in a Ziploc bag or any other storage tote that you want. But speaking of storage totes, so there's no reason these have to be moving boxes. I mean, they can be used as storage totes. They could be used to take laundry to the laundromat. You can load them up with beach toys and take them to the beach. I mean, frankly, the possibilities are endless. They have straps for convenience and hands-free moving. You can wear it as a backpack like this, which I just think is awesome. Boxes definitely can't do that. They're each about 3 cubic feet. So with 6 in a pack, that's 18 cubic feet of storage space per pack. They're made from a polyethylene material, and really they're not that thick. They do have a 50-pound load limit, which for this size bag, that's frankly a lot of weight. So they do zip close and can be strapped down via the straps that are underneath. They have a clear slit here so you can put a label in them, or so that you can label what's inside of the bags. I mean, really, they thought of everything with these. So, and if you're not familiar with just the WORKPRO brand overall, I highly recommend them. I have a number of tools and products from them, and frankly, I can't be more satisfied with them. So if you're in the market for something like this, or maybe you're considering buying something like this, or these make a great gift for somebody in your life that is moving, I highly recommend them. I think you'll love the quality. I think you'll see just how usable and versatile they are. But in any event, reach out with any questions or concerns. And as always, have a wonderful day.